chili lamb fenugreek leaf potato patties, or chili mutton fenugreek leaf potato patties, or chili mutton cutlet. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes, and one of the most different of the lamb recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the mutton recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the fenugreek leaf recipes, and one of the most delicious of the evening snacks recipes, and one of the most easiest of the evening snacks recipes, and one of the most different of the street food recipes. Today we are going to make lamb fenugreek leaf corn flour patties. We have taken around 300 grams of lamb meat, which we have soaked in water and cleaned. Put in the lamb pieces into the cooker. Pour in 300 ml of water. Mix. Put in 3 spoons of turmeric powder. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes. Take around 200 grams of potato, peeled and cut into pieces. Now put in the potato pieces into the pressure cooker pan. Put in salt to taste. Put in a spoon of fennel powder. Pour in 200 to 250 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 8 minutes to 10 minutes. Now put in the boiled potato pieces into the and mash them. Put in the mutton pieces, mix, put in the fenugreek leaves, mix thoroughly with the mashed potatoes. Put in around 100 grams of corn flour. Mix. Now thoroughly mix. Put in 2 spoons of chili flakes, put in salt paste, put in a spoon of fennel powder, mix. Now break the mixture into small balls and make it into round balls and make it into discs. And keep it aside. And after heating the pan, pour in 50 to 60 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Heat the pan. Now put in the patties and let it fry. Medium heat. Turn it over. Let it fry. Keep on turning from side to side until golden brown. Now take off the oil and onto the plate. Put in the next patty and let it fry like before. Do this until all the patties are nicely fried. This is the final chili lamb fenugreek potato leaf patties, or chili lamb methi patties, or chili lamb methi cutlet. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes and one of the most different of the mutton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the patties recipes and one of the most unique of the cutlet recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the evening snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.